Hello, today we'll be comparing Smeg 50's retro drip coffee maker's extra glass carrier versus Arzum automatic Turkish coffee hot beverage makers. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell which is better. Links to all the products and the description. Type of beverage: Arzum's better. Brewing capacity: Smeg's better. Single serve option: Arzum's better. Design aesthetics: Smeg's better. Programmable features: Smeg's better. Brew range control: Arzum's better. Water reservoir: Smeg's better. Heating speed: it's tie. Ease of use: Arzum's better. Technology: Arzum's better. Footprint design depends on preferences. Cleaning: Arzum's better. Build quality: it's tie. Special features: Arzum's better. Coffee quality: Arzum's better. Price depends on preferences. Who's best for depends on preference. Durability is tie. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffees, then the best choice will be the Arzum automatic Turkish coffee and hot beverage makers. The link to buy it is in the video description.